Okay, this is just a quick video that you should watch when preparing for lab. This would be lab 4. And what I have here in front of you is the basic materials you'll need for this lab. And I just wanted to show those ahead of time so you're well prepared. You should read over the lab and know what equipment and what materials you're going to need. Remember, we always start with the safety equipment. So I want to be sure that I point that out right away, that you always start with your PPE. And you'll see that I will always be wearing, or should always be wearing, my gloves, and also I have my own personal safety glasses with side shields that I'll be wearing. But your kit comes with the gloves and the goggles. So you want to be sure that you start with safety first and think safety before you do anything in terms of the experiment and the procedures. And then these are the materials that you'll be needing. I've got a couple containers there that we use to measure liquid water, or you need vinegar, a test tube rack, and a couple test tubes. Beakers, both your beakers, baking soda, table salt. You also need some white vinegar, which is what I put in one of those containers. That's not shown here. I already put it away. You'll need some filter paper, which is shown over here. Filter paper. And for reagents, you'll need sodium carbonate and copper sulfate. So you also need a balance and a match or a lighter. The other comment I will make has to do with cleanup. There's always, in a lab, if you were in a normal lab, there'd always be the responsibility of cleaning up. So after you're done making solutions and you're finished with each part of the experiment, you're not working with anything hazardous. So you just be able to rinse everything down the sink with plenty of water. There's nothing hazardous that you'll be working with. So just use cold water to rinse out the small amounts of solution that you'll have. Okay. And of course, if you have any questions, you can just let me know. But just remember, safety first, and prepare before you do anything. Make sure you've read over the lab and you have some idea of what you'll be doing. And then I've also put some videos for each step of the lab, or a video for each step of the lab, that hopefully will help you out. Okay? Hope this helps.